We have 20 billion last year, which is 150% increase from 2016. The underlying trends is what we're focusing on, is capitalizing on the announced deals and capitalizing on some of the MOUs that we've been witnessing in the private sector to make sure that we enable those investors to further their investments. We know, for example, from different studies that 60% of FDI comes from existing investors. So I think it's also very important why we're looking at the new investment law, and we're broadening the scope of it to become for all investors, domestic and international.
Where are you seeing the most inflows of FDI from regionally? The US, China, what are you specifically seeing?
Saudi with China is a big partner. It's the largest trading partner. We're still yet to see more on the FDI side in China. The US have been traditionally as well a big investor in Saudi Arabia, but we're looking at also expanding that. We are looking a lot of interest. We're seeing a lot of interest from Asian countries, a lot of interest from Europe, and we're capitalizing on those to achieve, inshallah, our targets.
Finally, of course, you've got these massive mega projects, and Saudi has to take on and is taking on a lot of debt to finance those mega projects. How do you see that impacting FDI?
So I think the financial sector presents a huge opportunity. The debt to GDP in Saudi is one of the lowest in the G20. The debt capital markets is still very well underserved. So this presents a huge opportunity for financial sector players. Today, the equity capital market in Saudi is 78% of the capital in the region. It's the 9th globally. Our credit rating by all the rating agencies is very, very strong and has a positive outlook. So we believe that the financial sector as an enabling sector is a very big opportunity for all the players in that sector. We've seen 13% in demand for debt, reaching about 650 billion last year.